fuck you fucking stupid cunt.
Because nobody wants to see Marshall no more. They want Shady up top. Well, if you want Shady, just
Just for the log, it was a failed attempt of a follow me. It was compliant until the slip and they came back onto the motorway. Nelly, my intention will be to do a get by on the near side. Can you push up on the off side to push him across? I will do a get by on the near side to perform a keep on at 19 when we're at the 1 mile marker over. Yeah, we have missiles at the vehicle, just be careful.
Attempting to keep on successful.
An attempt to ram, that was a DRA of temporary high, but we are back down to low.
DRA is currently medium, swerving around heavy goods vehicles. Vehicle still now lane 3 of 4. That is a keep on junction of the M4 towards Chepstow, South Wales. We're going to attempt to keep on. The vehicle is lane 1, pushing to the hard shoulder. We're now on the near side. Stand by, DRA is medium.
It was a successful keep on. We're now onto the bridge. Nelly, get ready. I think he's having engine problems. He's got black smoke and he's slowing down. MPAS, keep coming, please. We've got passenger with hands up. Let's get it on.
Stop the car. Get the car. Open the door. I'm opening it. Get out on the ground. Down.
Yeah, vehicle stop, stand by.
Keep your hands on here. Keep your hands out. We got dog.
Chest 2 detained. We have got slight contact, slight damage to the ARV from the stop.
Calm down.
I'm calm down.
We'll get everyone secured.
I'm calm. Officer,
We'll
please,
treat
I'm
you nice,
calm.
alright?
Officer, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Officer, I'm sorry. I got forced into it.
Right, what's your name, buddy?
Lloyd Davis, I got forced into
Lloyd.
Lloyd Davis. Can I just stand up, please?
Not yet. I haven't searched you yet. When I've searched you, you can stand up.
I've got nothing on
We
me.
haven't got enough people here to search you.
Sir, this bag on my pocket.
Crash, crash, crash. It's gonna hit us. Hit us!
Speed 30 miles an hour, in at 30. Current following distance of 40 metres. DRA was temporary up to high due to an oncoming vehicle. DRA still at high. It's the wrong way round the roundabout. It's right.
Can't stop.
It's a left onto an unnamed track behind Wellington Academy School.
Are we far from that? We're 8 minutes from Warwickshire. Speed will be there about 5.
You can see the feeder's gone right. He's indicating right. Stand by. On the 338, back towards Tidworth. If we can have some TPAC units for a potential bot, please.
They're behind us now.
Yeah, I know.
DRA is up to medium. Nearly. It's crash.
Crash, crash, crash. It's gonna hit us. Hit us! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Show me your hands now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Is it Marlon, yeah? Yeah. Marlon, you're under arrest on suspicion of dangerous driving, failed to stop for police. Okay? You do not have to say anything about it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence. Do you understand?